Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best dent pullers that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Amtec J 1870 Heavy Duty Suction Cup. The Amtec dent puller is about as simple as they come. It will work best on big, wide dents as you'll need a smooth surface to suction onto. It's a doddle to use though. Just put it on the pulley panel, press it down, flick one or both of the suction tabs, then pull the handle. The theory is that it will then pull the dent out. Child's play. Plus, you could use it to scale tall glass buildings. Second on the list is the Manalord Auto Body Repair Tool. This is a clever little bit of kit and is best suited to those smaller, more concentrated dents that you can't get a suction cup onto. The idea is simple. You place a blob of glue on the dent and then affix one of the pulling bits to it. Once the glue has cured, you put the small metal gantry over the dent and hook the center puller onto the bit. Then you just wind it out. Just remember to buy the glue gun too. Next up is the Manalord Auto Body Dent Repair Kit. Another entry from the dubiously named Manalord, this time one for the braver home dent puller. This kit again needs you to buy a glue gun and glue sticks, but that's all. Other than that, you have everything you need, including a brace of pulling tabs, a hand pulling tool, and even a slide hammer for more stubborn dents. There is also a rubber hammer to help you tease out stubborn ripples, as well as a nylon punch for really fine dings. Fourth on the list is the Mookies Car Dent Repair Kit. At a penny under £100, this isn't a cheap bit of kit. However, it's worth it as it contains just about everything you need, including the glue gun and glue. Think of this as a kit comprising of everything in the Manalord kits above. But wait, as TV infomercials say, there's more. With the Mookies kit, you also get a dent lifter gun, giving you finite control over how you pull dents, and you also get a handy LED line board. With a suction mount, it attaches to the car with ease, and once lit up, you can use its reflection in car's paint to see any ripples or waves you may have missed. Last but not least is the Sealy RE101 Air Suction Dent Puller. If you have a compressor in your garage, this could be just the ticket. Using the compressor, this handy tool makes sure the suction onto the panel is never lost, meaning you can pull out even the most stubborn of dents. And with suction cups in 75mm, 100mm and 125mm, you can tackle the big and the small. It's also got a built-in slide hammer, which means you can really give your dent extraction some welly. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.